Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to get the Discord guild tag and join guilds without having access to the feature. First, create a new server or convert an existing one if you see the option in app, then tap check it out to proceed with the conversion. Next, choose the games that your guild will play together. You can also change this later if needed. Then select the playstyle for your guild. You can choose from very casual, hardcore, or very hardcore. After that, you can optionally set demographic preferences for your guild, such as ranks or minimum ages. Now describe your guild by selecting at least 3 traits that represent what your guild is about. Following that, write a description focusing on why others should join your guild. Be creative and use up to 3 words to describe your guild. Then create a guild tag with a maximum of 4 characters and choose a badge. You can customize the badge color using the color picker or preset color schemes. Next, further customize your guild by selecting a banner color scheme and style. Afterward, set up an application with questions for potential members. Make sure to include at least 1 question to proceed. Finally, sign the charter to complete the creation of your guild and start using your guild tag. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.